right, happy people, it's the Happy Chef. So let's get into the meat of this episode, or I'll say the mush, with How to Happy Chef Grow Your Own Magic Part 1. First, let us gather our ingredients and equipment. We're going to pour the 4 pounds of popcorn kernels in a stock pot and fill that stock pot with distilled water. Remember, we're trying to keep everything as sterile as possible to prevent any contamination. Now we're going to fill the pot roughly about 2 inches over the popcorn, cover with the lid, and cook on high. Bring it to a rapid boil for about anywhere from 25 to 45 minutes. Be sure to check it so often. Once the water gets to a level where it appears the kernels are floating on the surface, take a pair of tongs or even a spoon, spoon out one of the kernels to test it with minimal pressure. If it pops open easily, then it's a go. This is important so that the mycelium can break through and feed on the kernels to take growth. Now, once you've popped, you just can't stop. Now we must strain our kernels. Pour them over the colander. Now, I know you probably have seen some techniques of others that will tell you this is where you rinse it. Well, let me say this. Do not rinse. This is where contamination can happen. Rinsing over the sink pretty much reverses all the hard work that we just did. So, best to just be patient and let everything cool down naturally. Take your mason jar, the lids, tape, lighter, marker, alcohol, and your aluminum foil. And once your corn is completely cooled, separate the corn evenly 3/4 away full into your jars. We're going to cover the injection point and the gas chamber with polyfill and tape and wrapping the top with aluminum foil. You need the stuff inside. Let me give you a knife. See this little filling? So all you need is just a little bit. So the pressure cooker we let go for about an hour and 20 when it was cooking. And then let it sit overnight to cool down. Let the pressure build to 15 psi, cook for around 90 minutes, and then allow it to cool overnight before opening. All right, now it's not quite time to inject yet. Injection part is part 2. But this is just a reminder to make sure that you have enough spores because you'll at least need 2 mLs of spore count per each jar. No contamination. It's just growing. Oh my God, I think the Smurfs live here. Maybe, perhaps. Oh my God. Oh, it's magic. You know. So